This is a GCSE question. Let's have a look at it, but I want you to answer it. So the following logic circuit can be written as P equals not A and B. So P, which is this, equals not A. So we know that this gate here is not, and B. I want you to quickly draw this out yourself, just looking at this without looking at the diagram. Practice it. You're going to need to be able to draw out circuits like this. So, I want you to answer this question by filling out the truth table. Pause the video, give it a go. Okay. So what you should have got would be something along the lines as this. Let me just undo all my graphic. Ooh. So, the first one we need to look at is 0, this one here, because the first one's done first. So A is 0 and B is going to be 1. So A is 0 travels to the NOT gate. What happens to the 0? It turns into a 1. So we've got a result here. Then we've got 1 and 1, which we'll equal 1 here. Let's have a look at the second one. So A is 1, B is 0. It travels, it turns a 1 into a 0. That's just a 0 anyway. 0 and 0 equals 0, so that should be a 1 here. 0. The final one is 1 and 1, but you should know that when 1 travels to a NOT gate, it turns into a 0, so it's 0 and 1. And you should know for an AND gate, 0 and 1, that's not good enough. Both of them need to be 1 for it to equal 1. So this is a 0. Don't forget, you could have, I reckon some of you might have made a mistake by looking at 1 here, and just filling out 1 here. That is not the case. Do not forget that A may be 1, but when it hits that NOT gate, it changes. If you did not understand that, watch this video again. If you still don't get it, message me on YouTube.